Times Now's non-stop coverage from Varanasi continues. I have with me Pragya and Mohit also joining me. Pragya, first to you, how's the mood on the ground? The Prime Minister will be filing his nomination shortly.
Absolutely, and everyone is very excited, and we had seen in the roadshow yesterday. Today we are standing at Dashashwamedh Ghat, where Prime Minister will be taking the cruise from here. Remember, Prime Minister has always advocated that there should be economy around the tour, in the religious places, and what better can be than Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Prime Minister will be taking this cruise. The program that we have got to know about from the sources is that he will be going to Namo Ghat, and from there he'll be going to Bhairav Temple, where he will be doing the prayers and before leaving for his nomination. This is till now the program that we have got, and all the ministers, all the chief ministers and all the NDA partners who have come here for Prime Minister's nomination, they will be moving from Taj in buses to District Magistrate office, where Prime Minister will be filing his nomination. Till now the information is this, and we will look forward to the a bit of people have even gathered here, if you could see, at the Ghat, and in fact the corridor that has been marked for Prime Minister's entrance. These are the organic crowd. They had come here for the temple darshan, but they stood there to have a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Most of them tourists, and also from some of them are locals even, but majorly tourists. They have sit here. As you can see, they are sitting here, pulling up chairs. They want to see how Prime Minister would wave at them. They want to have a glimpse of Prime Minister, and also the chants of Har Har Mahadev and Jai Shri Ram can be heard here. So this is the mood on the ground right now. I'll tell shortly from now, Prime Minister will be coming here very soon. SPG has taken over that portion where Prime Minister would be coming from, and also look at the security arrangement. Whole UP police contingent that was present in Lanka yesterday during the roadshow. Those same officers have been placed here. They are taking care of the security, but they also know that this is a tourist place, this is a religious place. So the corridor, apart from the corridor, rest of the area is open for the tourists, and also they are taking bath.
Why don't you ask around the people in the morning? What's the mood like? The Prime Minister will be coming in shortly. Why don't you ask around people?
sure. तो आपको पता है प्रधानमंत्री आ रहे हैं?
जी प्रधानमंत्री जी आ रहे हैं, और उनके ही प्रतीक्षा में हम लोग लगे हुए हैं।
प्रतीक्षा में कहाँ से आए आप?
जी हम लोग गाजीपुर जिला से आए।
गाजीपुर से आए। आपको पता लगा अभी प्रधानमंत्री आ रहे हैं, इसलिए रुक गए आप?
जी हम लोग तो दर्शन कर लिए हैं बाबा विश्वनाथ का, तो पता चला मोदी जी आ रहे हैं, तो हम लोग बोले कि अब उनसे भी हो जाए साक्षात्कार।
कैसा लग रहा है आपको? क्या मूड लग रहा है ग्राउंड पे?
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है मूड, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आदमी को देख के। फिर हम भी आए हैं बिहार से
आए?
हाँ, रोहतास जिला से, और घूमने आए थे, तो हम भी देखे कि मोदी जी आ रहे, तो हम भी सोचे कि देख ले मोदी जी को।
400 पार लग रहा है? 400 पार लग रहा है?
हाँ।
प्रधानमंत्री को देखने के लिए खड़े हैं आप?
हाँ, प्रधानमंत्री को देखने के लिए खड़े हैं।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे कुछ और लोग भी बैठे हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। आप पहली बार आए हैं या लोकल है, यहाँ से बाहर से आए हैं?
लोकल है।
लोकल है। फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स है? नहीं,
अभी तो 70।
अगले साल। तो वैसे मूड क्या लग रहा है आपके घर में?
क्या चीज?
मूड क्या लग रहा है? प्रधानमंत्री को देखने आए हैं आप?
हाँ।
तो वाराणसी का क्या मूड लग रहा है?
मोदी जीतेंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी है इधर।
So Modi ji jeetenge is the mood right now, but as you can see, they all are sitting here to have a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi early in the morning. It's not even 7 yet.
Right, Pragya, well, the mood is really jolly, and the people are saying that aayenge to Modi ji hi. Pragya, do stay with